SiteGround and Hostinger, two hosting giants, one face-off. Which one really delivers? On the left, SiteGround, the premium managed hosting powerhouse, and on the right, Hostinger, the budget-friendly performance champion. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Alright, let me quickly show you the categories we'll be comparing. First up, we've got pricing, because who doesn't look at that first? Then performance, load speeds matter, data centers, security, WordPress and site builder stuff, and finally support. Yep, we're gonna hit all the points you care about. Okay, starting with pricing. SiteGround, it's known for premium managed WordPress hosting, and honestly they do offer transparent pricing, but man, those initial and renewal rates, they sting a little. Plus, you get fewer freebies thrown in. Now Hostinger, honestly Hostinger is the budget king. Like starting around $2.69 a month you get a free domain with most plans, plus you can host multiple sites without blowing your wallet. Although heads up, they do try to upsell you on checkout, which is kinda annoying. But if saving money is top of your list, Hostinger's got the edge right here. Alright, performance. SiteGround delivers excellent global speeds and their in-house SG optimizer is pretty sweet once you set it up, but yeah, that setup does need some user effort. Response times? Super fast, no complaints there. On the other hand, Hostinger just flexes with NVMe storage and Lightspeed servers. Their servers load in under a second most of the time, and uptime. We're talking 99.99% all year. They even have 13 data centers worldwide. Only catch? SiteGround sometimes edges out on raw response times, but overall, Hostinger paces ahead for performance. Next, data centers. SiteGround's got 11 locations spread across major regions: the US, UK, Europe, Asia, Australia, so not bad at all. But Hostinger, they said, hold my coffee, and put up 13 data centers across 4 continents. This means even more options if you're targeting a global audience, which is amazing. Really, Hostinger sneaks in another win. Oh, and here's something cool, because I bet you didn't see this coming. Both SiteGround and Hostinger use renewable energy in their data centers. Seriously, eco-friendly hosting isn't just a buzzword with these guys. Love to see it. On to security. SiteGround does not play here with daily backups, a custom web application firewall, some fancy AI anti-bot stuff, and free SSL. Honestly, the only nitpick is you gotta pay for some advanced features. Hostinger gives free SSL, DDoS protection, their own malware scanner, and weekly or daily backups, but those backups get a little less frequent on entry plans. So SiteGround takes the crown for security, hands down. Let's talk WordPress and site builder options. SiteGround is actually one of the few officially recommended hosts by WordPress.org. That's a big deal. The SG optimizer is like a little magic box for speed and caching, plus there's staging and on-demand backups if you like to tinker or need that peace of mind. Admittedly, onboarding isn't as beginner-friendly. Hostinger, though, loves beginners with their AI-powered tools and setup wizard, free migration too, but it's not as stacked for advanced features. If you want pro-grade WordPress capabilities, SiteGround's the star here. Support. SiteGround shines with 24/7 chat, actual phone support, and speedy ticket responses. And their team just gets WordPress stuff, which is a lifesaver if you ever get stuck. Sure, at peak times there's a bit of a wait, but it's worth it. Hostinger does offer 24/7 chat and email and has a fairly helpful knowledge base, but no phone and feedback can get mixed. SiteGround has the edge, especially if you want to talk to a real human whenever you're in panic mode. So let's put all this side by side. If you look at the big picture, Hostinger tends to outscore SiteGround in pricing, performance, and global reach. But those premium touches on security, WordPress tools, and support, that's all SiteGround. The chart just makes it clear where each one shines, and yeah, you can see why it's a tough call. So to wrap things up, go for SiteGround if you want the best WordPress toolkit and expert support. They really deliver. But if your goal is to stretch your budget, get fast hosting, and set things up quickly with global flexibility, Hostinger's basically built for you. Enjoyed this head-to-head? Wanna see more hosting showdowns? Hit follow and get those data-driven picks for your next online project.